Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that for vectors A equals to 2 and 4 and B equals to 3 and negative 1, compute this. So solution. So now we'll start with the first one, I. Vector A plus B will be equals to 2, 4 plus 3, negative 1. So this will be equal to what? To be 2 plus 3, then 4 minus 1. So you add the first one and you add the second one together. So this is what? 2 plus 3 is what? Is 5. 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3. So this is the answer of the first one. So you can confirm it using your calculator. You put it on vector mode. That's it. Then you select the first one. This is a two-dimensional vector, so we select 2. So it will be 2, then 4, then shift vector data. You select the second one. Is what? 3 and negative 1. Then you save them. Then we bring them out. Vector 1, 3 plus vector 2, that's vector B, 4, is what? Is 5 and 3. So you can see, you can also use your calculator to get the answer for vectors. So 5 and 3, which is correct. Also, let's do the second one. Second one is 2 times vector A, which is 2 times the first vector is, the vector A is what? Is 2 and 4. So 2, 4. This becomes 4 and 8. Then the third one, you can also do it, you can also confirm it by saying 2 times vector A, which is 4 and 8. You see 4 and 8. Then the third one, vector A minus 2 times vector B. So this vector A is what? Is 2, 4 minus 2 times vector B is what? Vector B is 3, negative 1. So this becomes 2, 4 minus 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. 2 times negative 1 is minus 2. This becomes 2 minus 6, comma, 4 minus 2. Then this becomes what? Negative 4 and 6. So this is the third one. Then we can say shift, that's vector 1, vector A minus 2 times vector B. This is negative 4 and 6. You see? Negative 4 and 6. So it's correct. Then the last one. First we have to find 5B minus 2A before we find the magnitude. So 5B minus 2A is what? 5 times what is B? B is 3 minus 1 minus 2 was A? A is 2 and 4. So this is what? 15 minus 5, 4, 8. So this becomes 15 minus 4 minus 5 minus 8. 15 minus 4 is what? Is 11. Minus 5 minus 8 is what? Minus 13. We can cross-check it. Sheet vector to be 5. Let's write 5 first. 5 times vector A. Okay, 5 times vector B minus 2 times vector A. So this is 11 and minus 13. You see? 11 and minus 13. So then we can now find the magnitude. These two brackets means magnitude. So now the magnitude is 5b minus 2a. So now the magnitude 5b minus 2a is equal to this 11 square plus minus 13 square. So this is what? 11 square. You can remove vector mode now. 11 square plus 13 square. You know minus square is plus, so root of 290. So this is root of 290. Then that means the magnitude is root of 290. So we have successfully solved this question. But let me show you how to save two vectors and work with it. So imagine vector A. The first thing you do when you want to save two vectors to work with it, you have to get the vectors. So if you are given two vectors, before you work with two of them, you have to save them. So let me show you how to save two vectors and work with it and do calculations with them. So you first change the mode of the calculator to vector mode, which is 8. So after you change it, let's select vector A. Then this is for 3-dimensional vector. This is for 2-dimensional vector. Then since this is a 2-dimensional vector, we press 2. Then the first vector was in the equation is 2 and 4. Then you write 2, you press equal to. You write 4, you press equal to. Then you press shift, then vector. This vector mode, you press shift and this vector mode, that is 5. You press shift and 5. Then it will give you this option. Then you press 2, data. Then you select the next vector. That is vector B. That is, you press 2. Then if it's a 2-dimensional vector, you select 2 again. Then you put the second vector, which is 3. You press equal to. -1, you press equal to. Then now, the last thing, you press AC, this AC, to save them. After you have entered the value, then you press AC. You have successfully saved them. Now you can use it. Like if you say A plus B, now let's do A plus B. You want to do A plus B, you press shift. Then this is 5, you press 5. You see them. Then you press A is 3. Then you press again shift. Then 5. Then you press what? 4. Then you can press plus between them, A plus B. So now A plus B is what? You see is 5 and 3. Like we got here. So you can use your calculator for maybe CBT or OBG exams, whereby you don't need to write anything down. So this is how you use your calculator and this is how you solve manual. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.